Salud.
There's more to that toast.
To love, wealth, and a long life.
To all of the above. Santana, you are lovely.
Look, we had a bargain. One drink and good night.
I haven't finished my drink yet.
Why, you're not trying.
Oh, yes, I am.
Mason. I'm serious.
So am I.
Look, I am very tired, and I have an early appointment tomorrow, and I'm sorry.
You don't look tired.
I am.
Are you sure it's not because I'm boring you?
No, you're definitely not boring.
How would you describe me, then?
I don't know. I'm at a loss for words.
Fascinating?
Yes.
Macho?
Halfway.
Ardent?
Yes, too ardent. Especially right now.
Too ardent. Well, I get the message. Never let it be said that Mason Capwell reneges on a bargain. Ciao.
Mason.
Yeah?
Thank you.
For what?
For this evening.
Oh, it was nothing. But, there will be others, won't there?
Well, there could be.
There will be. Nights when our ardor knows no bounds. Good night.